everyone, my name is Lauren Wireman and I am the creator of Wildflowers Nail Academy. So today in our tutorial we are going to teach you how to do a beautiful winter scene. It's a beautiful black lamppost with some snow and some, winter stuff. Using our amazing Wildflowers Artist Gel Paints. If you don't have our Artist Gel Paints, it's a set of 12 hyper-pigmented gel paints specifically for painting really high detail works of art on the nail. So this is what I use to do portraits, to do all my most favorite detailed works of art on the nails. It's way different than gel polish. It's just loaded with pigment. It doesn't move around on you. It stays put. We've had so much positive feedback on our artist gel paints. If you don't have them, make sure you pick up a set of these. It really makes doing fine art on the nails much easier. So you'll have to check them out and try them. All right, so we are going to begin with the Wildflowers Magenta brush and of course the artist gel paints, and we are going to start to create the lines of the lamp. And as you can see, the Wildflowers Magenta brush is so small, and a lot of this is going to get colored in, so you don't have to worry about your lines being super skinny and super perfect. Maybe just a little bit in that very first part that we painted, but as far as the rest of it goes, you can be a little bit sloppy. Not too sloppy, but just a little sloppy. So we're going to bring the base of this down and start to create sort of the black pipe that this lamppost is sitting on. And of course, we're going to color this in too. You can use the gel paints to color this in, or if you'd rather, do all of your line work with the gel paints and then color it in quickly with the gel polish, that's totally up to you. You can do whatever you want to do. Our gel paints can be used a little bit thick. You don't have to worry about pressing them out super thin. They do cure tack free, which is great. So we're going to stop and cure right here, and then we're going to take a little bit of our yellow and we are going to come into those windows of the lamppost. And you'll notice that I left out a little bit of the middle there. Before curing, we're going to take our indigo brush and just blend some white in here to make it really look like it's glowing. Now, once you have done this, you're going to cure. Grab your magenta brush again, and we're going to create some leaves. So you can do this however you want. This is very, what's that artist, that Kincaid guy? Anyway, that's really what this reminds me of. Is it Thomas Kincaid? I don't know. I probably should have Googled it. Anyway, we're going to add some little holly berries. We're going to add some little snowflakes, all of these little fine details. But painting with good quality gel paint just requires a lot of layers. So you're going to paint in layers. When you go to top coat this, should you choose to top coat it, you're really going to see it smooth out. So just keep that in mind. You can leave the texture there, or you can come in there and really try to smooth it out. And as you can see, we're adding our little snowy snow to the top of this to make it look like we just had a fresh snow. And then we're going to add some little snowflakes in the air falling down. We will cure this, and then we're going to seal it with the Wildflowers Top Coat Gel. Cure that. I like the way it looks matte. Why do I put the top coat gel first? It's just to seal in the pigment so there's no chance of contaminating my mat. But look how gorgeous this is. I hope you try it. Be sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.